Hi, if you're interested in keto, if that's for weight loss or to keep your blood cholesterol in check, this content is for you. Herein, we will discuss a study that looks at the use of a ketogenic diet on cholesterol mainly, and we will also dive into a bit of the explanations for why the results are as follows. With that in mind, let's dive straight in. Learn Your Body, a science-based education. As I mentioned, this information is gleaned from data taken from a study that I will have linked for you along with my more detailed notes and any amendments that need to be made after this is published. Briefly, the researchers recruited 39 participants to the study. All were healthy, young, and mostly women. The recruits were split into two groups. One group maintained a normal, non-ketogenic diet, and the other group was instructed to switch their nutrition to an unrestricted ketogenic diet, meaning they consumed less than 5% of their diet from carbohydrates and ate largely fats. The groups will henceforth be called the control group and the keto group, respectively. The researchers took body weight and blood measurements before the keto group began their ketogenic diet, and then again 3 weeks later at the end of the study to compare changes in these measures against themselves, as well as against the control group. Ketones were not measured. One last thing, the keto group ended up consuming more protein, total fat, saturated fat, and unsaturated fat, and dietary cholesterol than the control group, something to keep in mind. Now, what did the researchers discover? We'll focus on cholesterol. Total cholesterol increased in the keto group, but did not change in the control group, leading to an overall effect of the ketogenic diet increasing overall blood cholesterol by a little over 20%. Some of this might be explained by increased high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is increased in the keto group, but did not change in the control group. However, the greatest contributing reason for total cholesterol increasing is likely from non-HDL cholesterol, which also increased significantly, over 25%, and did not change in the control group. Interestingly, in measures of body weight, both the keto group and the control group lost weight. Only a few kilograms, but neither diet led to greater loss than the other. Still, for a control diet, this is unexpected news considering they should have maintained their weight. Now, there is a potential confounding factor in this study, even acknowledged by the researchers. It is that the ketogenic diet implemented was much higher in certain nutrients, like saturated fat. So the type of a ketogenic diet used may skew the results toward being solely applicable to high saturated fat ketogenic diet, for example. Physiologically, this could be problematic because reductions in saturated fat have been shown to increase LDL receptors in men and women, which is the way that the liver and other tissues regulate cholesterol levels. So, all taken together, an unrestricted ketogenic diet with relatively high saturated fat intake increases blood cholesterol and leads to mild weight loss in healthy young people, mostly women. I hope this proved informative, and with all that said, I hope to have the pleasure of speaking with you in the near future. Bye.